Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we're making the resort classic, the Blue Lagoon. It's refreshing, it's sweet, and it looks like the deep blue sea in the tropics. Starting off, you'll need a good vodka, something like Finlandia or Tito's, blue curacao, a sweet blue liqueur with an orange taste, a sparkling lemonade, choose wisely depending on how sweet you like it. This one's low-cal, but the curacao is pretty sweet, and that covers what you'll need for the sparkling Blue Lagoon. To make the traditional version, you'll need simple syrup and lemon juice, or a good natural lemonade. For the garnish, a key addition to a resort cocktail, you'll need a maraschino or cocktail cherries, and orange or lemon wheels. Dried works fine as it's mostly for looks. And of course you'll also need ice. Be sure to gather all your ingredients, subscribe below, and let's get to it. Starting off, you'll need your bar mat and your go-to highball glassware. These cocktails will be made in the glass. Fill each glass with ice, and I mean fill. Grab your shot glass and start by measuring an ounce of vodka and pour one into each glass. And then again for the second one. Next, grab your curacao, measure out an ounce, and then add one into each glass. Next, we need about 4 ounces of lemonade for the non-sparkling version. I decided to go fresh, so I'll measure out an ounce of lemon juice, next an ounce of simple syrup, measured and poured. Allow that to marinate while you grab your sparkling lemonade. Crack and fill up the other glass. Give a gentle stir so you don't flatten out the sparkling. Add some extra ice to the flat version, fill it out with ice or add some extra water for dilution, and then stir generously to incorporate. I had previously used semi-sweet simple syrup, so the extra water just helps balance it out a bit more. Now we're almost there. They look great, but they're missing some razzle-dazzle. Top with some citrus wheels or dried slices. Now we could stop there, or we could add another contrasting pop of color. So grab some bright red cocktail cherries and add one to each drink. Now let's take it in. The sparkling on the right is likely a bit more balanced. You get a bit more of the vodka because it's not quite so sweet, but to be honest, I think I prefer the original on the left. Yes, it's sweet and you'd probably only want one, but it's a classic and it's lovely. Thanks everyone for watching. If If you like what you see, give a like, or if there's a cocktail you want to see, leave a comment down below. But why not both? Cheers.